I'm going to be reviewing a simple schematic for 2019 Chevrolet Camaro. I've pulled this off of the GM Service Information website I have access to as a professor in the GM set program. But I wanted to show you how the flow of electricity goes. I'm going to start with a highlighter. I'm going to use colors. I'm going to use red for power, yellow for the load, and black for the ground side of the circuit. You're going to be seeing me draw on here. So I'm going to start with my red highlighter, and I'm going to highlight where my power comes from. So as of right now, my power is coming from the body control module. I'm going to do a little black pen mark real quick. See if I can show you something. This is a switch. Let's undo that. Okay, that's a switch. What that means is it's not on. Okay, and it's drawn in its normal operating position. Okay, my side marker bulb is not going to function until my body control module tells me to turn it on. Okay, that F18UA right there at the top is actually the fuse for this circuit. But what's going to happen is my body control module is going to give me power. It's going to come down here. This right here is a splice or a junction. Actually, it's a junction. J is for junction. J361. That 3 stands for a location in the car, and so on and so forth. So my power is here at this junction. It's going to come over here, and it's going to come over this way. Okay. Now I'm going to go to the black highlighter real quick and highlight. Let's see if I can move this bar. There we go. I'm going to highlight my grounds right here and right here. Okay, those are my grounds. Now, also, I'm not sure if you can see it or not, but this is a ground and this is a ground. Okay. Those are ground symbols. All right. So that's what we're going to talk about. Okay. Now, there's a few different circuits on here, it looks like. And the reason I know that is I'm going to circle them with a pen in black right here. And it looks like it's a minus T90. That's going to be an RPO code. Okay. So this is without the T90 RPO code. Okay. And then over here, we have with TW7 or without TW7. The same thing. I thought I saw another one. Maybe not. Okay, so anyway, regardless, we're just going to keep a look at this. Back here, the highlighter. All right, so really, my power is going to come out of my junction here. Thought I went to highlighter. Sorry. And come down to my side marker bulb left rear. And have power come down here to my side marker bulb right left front. Okay. I've also got power coming down this way. Comes here to this junction. Okay, and it's going to come down here to what we call the multifunction lamp assembly front fascia left. And we've got the power coming down in here to the headlamp assembly left. Okay. All right, I'm going to draw you a couple more circles. This. This. And that are diodes. Basically what that means is, see how there's an arrow going this way? There's an arrow going this way, and then I like to call this the wall. Okay, so really it looks like this. Okay, I call this the wall, and my electricity is going this way. Oh, goodness. Okay, now what I like to do is this wall is only a one-way wall. So I can go this direction only. I can't go back this direction. This is called a diode. Diodes allow us to move only in one direction only. So in the tail lamp left and the park lamp left front, there are diodes that only allow us to go one direction. Okay, notice that I'm going to trace these. These here are dotted. Okay. Means we're missing stuff. Not everything's here. Same thing with here. Okay. And over here. All right. So that's that. But what we're going to do is I'm going to go back to highlighting. I'm going to highlight the loads in my circuit. This is a load. Okay. Load. I'm using yellow because these are bulbs. Okay. These are my loads in the circuit. Now, go back here to black. I highlight my black again, or my grounds. Okay, ground there. And then we've got a ground here. And then my ground's here. I'm going to trace the wires that go to ground. Okay. All right, so that is a complete circuit from power. Oh, undo. I'm going to do B positive. Again, B positive is only on demand on this because of the switch. Only on demand. Okay, and then this is our ground. And our loads. All right, so that's that. And that's how we diagnose, or not diagnose, how we highlight electrical schematic.